Hello students, we are going to start numerical 2 on the line integration. The question is calculate circulation of the vector A vector is equal to rho cos phi a rho plus z sin phi az for the given path shown in the figure. Circulation is a special case of line integration as we studied that when there is a closed path, then the line integration is called as circulation, which is indicated as a vector dot dl vector. So it is given in xy plane, and in the xy plane z is equal to 0, and the path is given as this is a x-axis, this is a y-axis, and this is a origin O. It is 2 value. Then 0 to 2 rho is varying, and then phi is varying from 0 to 60 degree, and then rho is again varying from 2 to 0. So there are 3 segments: first segment, second segment, and third segment. So we have to calculate the line integration, or we can say circulation because there is a closed path. So here is the circulation. We will solve it for first path, for second path, and for the third path. Or we can say we will solve for the first segment, second segment, and the third segment. Let me start for the first segment. For the first segment, dl vector is d rho a rho because rho is changing, and rho is changing from 0 to 2, as is clear in the figure. So rho is varying from 0 to 2 for the first segment. Rho varies from 0 to 2 for the first segment. Then integration a vector dot dl vector. A vector is given as rho cos phi a rho plus z sin phi az dot d rho a rho. We will take dot product for these two vectors. This is a vector and this is dl vector. Dl vector is d rho a rho. When we will dot product it, then this becomes as rho cos phi d rho. Here is rho cos phi. A rho dot a rho will be equal to 1 and a rho dot az will be equal to 0, as we know the orthogonal property. Now phi is 0 degree because phi is measured from x-axis and the first segment is given on the x-axis, and on the x-axis phi is 0 degree. If phi is 0 degree, then cos 0 will be equal to 1. Then here we will put phi is equal to 0 degree. If phi is equal to 0 degree, cos 0 degree, it is equal to 1. Then that integration will termed as, that is a vector dot dl vector for the first segment, and it will be equal to 0 to 2 rho d rho. The integration of rho square by 2. So we will write here rho square by 2, and the limit is from 0 to 2, and it is 2 square by 2, and the answer is 2. So for the first segment, our answer is 2. Now we will go for the second segment. Now for the second segment, phi is changing. For the second segment, phi is changing. So when phi is varying and rho is constant, we write dl vector as rho d phi a phi. Phi varies from 0 degree to 60 degrees, and rho is constant. So rho is constant and rho is equal to 2, which is constant. So a vector dot dl vector. So we will again writing a vector is rho cos phi a rho plus z sin phi az dot rho d phi a phi. This is dl vector. This is completely dl vector, and this is completely a vector. So there is no phi term in the a vector, so dot product will be 0. So its answer is here 0. So for the second segment, the answer will be equal to 0. Now for the third segment, we again come back to the question, and for the third segment we understand this is the third segment here. For the third segment, again phi is constant, z is also constant, only rho is varying. So rho vary. Here rho is varying, phi and z is constant. So for the segment third, we will write dl is equal to rho d rho because rho varies, and phi is equal to 60 degree, it is constant, and rho is varying from 2 to 0. Rho is varying from 2 to 0. So a vector dot dl vector, it is equal to rho cos phi d rho. When we will dot product it, then this answer is a rho cos phi d rho. But phi is here 60 degree. Phi is here 60 degree. When phi is 60 degree, then cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 we will take outside of the integration because it is constant value. So here it is rho d rho. In the integration of rho, it is rho square by 2, and the limit is from 2 to 0. So answer is 1 by 2, 0 minus 2. Then the answer is here minus 1 for the segment 3. So overall answer, the circulation is first answer plus second answer plus third answer. So first answer is 2, second answer is 0, and third answer is minus 1. So overall answer is 1 here. We will add this all. So 2 plus 0 minus 1. So this answer is 1. This is our overall answer for the circulation. So thank you all.